You've got the rooms, the creativity and the ideas. Now all you need is the W590 Universal Spraying System from Wagner. Then you're all set. Our multi-talented device is quick to set up and packed with useful features to get the job done. From its incredibly easy operation to the ultra-practical spray lance, you will experience a new level of spraying comfort. Fast, easy and perfect. This clever solution takes the paint straight from the container and applies it to your walls for perfect coverage with a single coat. And the patented eye spray nozzle ensures perfect atomization and therefore amazing results. The W950 is a universal spray system. The spray lance is designed for wall paints, and the included spray attachment is suitable for both water and solvent-based paints. The X-Boost high-performance turbine makes the powerful system ideal for large projects. And say goodbye to cutting into corners. The W950 can take care of that too. Even with high walls, ceilings and large surfaces, the 70cm spray lance gives you very long arms. Cleaning the system is as easy as painting with it. Thanks to the self-cleaning system, it's all done automatically. For wood and metal work, the sprayer can easily be changed. In addition to interior wall paints, it is also possible to work with wood and metal paints. The W950 also offers impressive flexibility. The paint jet can be adjusted to suit any conceivable working direction. And before you know it, it's time to take a break and admire your perfect spraying results. As always, before you start, remember to cover or mask off all surfaces and objects that are not to be sprayed. And now we can quickly and easily assemble the system. First, roll out the pull cable and attach the handle to the air tube. The cable should be inserted into the guide rail at the bottom of the air tube and guided over the guide hooks to the spray head. Then press the trigger back slightly to attach the pull cable. Then gently tighten the cable with the tensioning screw, but only slightly. Otherwise, paint may be released before the trigger is pulled. Then place the end of the fluid hose onto the nozzle without the securing clip and click it into the guide rail as far as the handle. Now the cover can be reattached. Then attach the control and air hose to the handle and also to the corresponding terminals on the base unit. It is very important that all hoses are firmly and correctly seated and do not come loose during operation. Finally, attach the suction hose and the W950 is ready for action. Sometimes you may need to dilute the paint and also stir it thoroughly. Now lower the suction hose to the bottom of the paint bucket. Select Fill Clean to fill the system with paint. Thanks to the raised control panel, the device is easy to use. Now press the trigger until the paint comes out. Then point the lance towards the wall and switch from Fill Clean mode to On. Use the included test poster for test spraying and to try out the different settings. The adjustment ring allows you to choose between a wide flat jet and a compact beam. You can also adjust the paint quantity to match the desired spray width. A narrow spray width is used with the white area on the quantity scale and a wide spray width with the black area. For wood and metal paints, there is a special spray attachment with a paint container. Fill this, dilute the paint as required in 10% increments, then stir it and attach the container. Disconnect the control and fluid hose. For now, you only need the air hose. Connect this to the handle, adapter and trigger. All the steps shown here are also described in detail in the owner's manual. When it comes to cleaning, the W950 really excels. Simply switch to clean mode and the pump will begin to clean itself. Hold the spray lance over the paint bucket so that the system can be emptied of the residual paint. Now place the suction hose in a bucket of water mixed with a little detergent. And now hold the spray lance over the bucket. Pull the trigger back fully and lock it on. Click the lance into the corresponding holder on the base unit and leave the device to continue self-cleaning. It couldn't be easier. Change the rinsed water now and again until only clear water appears. Finally, you just need to take apart the spray head and wash the paint-carrying parts. Then reassemble and you're finished. When cleaning after using wood and metal paint, unscrew the spray head and put it to one side. The remaining paint can be poured back into the original container. First, thoroughly clean the paint container, and then take apart the spray head in just a few steps and rinse all paint-carrying parts with water or solvent. Of course, plenty of versatile accessories are available for the W950 Flexio, which are very easy to change thanks to the handy click and paint system. Here are some useful tips and tricks for spraying with the W950 Flexio Universal Sprayer. Always think about your health and safety. Always wear eye protection and a breathing mask, especially when working with wood and metal paint or solvent-based paint. Ensure you maintain a consistent spraying distance. This will guarantee a perfectly uniform paint application. Even with difficult materials or highly absorbent surfaces, even results can easily be achieved. Simply work using a cross pattern. First, spray from left to right, then again from top to bottom. Observe the picture order. If the nozzle gets clogged, you can quickly unblock it using the tip of the enclosed stirrer. Trendy accent colors as a feature wall are possible. First, mask off an area, sealing it with the base color of your wall, for example white. Briefly let this area dry, then you can spray the surface in your chosen color. The result, a clean edge and a truly personalized wall.